Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool for anyone who enjoys working with firewood. If you're tired of struggling with heavy axes or cumbersome log splitters, you're in for a treat. We're excited to showcase the Primachen wall-mounted kindling splitter, which we proudly call the best wall kindling splitter on the market. The Primachen kindling splitter is designed with efficiency and ease of use in mind. Made from high-carbon steel, this splitter is both sharp and durable, ensuring that it can handle the demands of your firewood splitting needs. One of the standout features is its lever-type cutting design. This innovative approach allows you to split wood with minimal effort, making it an ideal choice for both seasoned woodworkers and beginners alike. Now, let's talk about its wall-mounted design. This splitter can be easily fixed to a wall, whether it's in your garage, next to your wood-burning stove, or even outdoors near your wood storage. The installation is straightforward, and once mounted, you'll appreciate how it saves space and keeps your workspace organized. Just remember, it's best installed on a sturdy wall to avoid any shaking during use. What makes this splitter even more versatile are the two replaceable handles. You can choose between two lengths depending on your preferences and the size of the logs you're working with. The longer handle provides extra leverage, making it easier to split larger pieces of wood, while the shorter handle is perfect for quick, easy cuts. Let's put it to the test. Watch how effortlessly it splits this piece of softwood. The design not only makes splitting efficient but also ensures safety. The wood stays in place, and you can work without the worry of it slipping. It's perfect for kindling, allowing you to prepare your fire quickly and safely. The Primachen wall-mounted kindling splitter measures 10 by 10 by 2 inches and weighs about 11.95 pounds. It's compact enough to fit in any space, yet sturdy enough to handle regular use. With an attractive price point of $64.69, it's a solid investment for anyone who regularly splits firewood. In conclusion, the Primachen wall-mounted kindling splitter stands out for its thoughtful design, high-quality materials, and ease of use. Whether you're preparing for a cozy evening by the fire or stocking up for winter, this splitter makes the task efficient and safe. If you're looking for a reliable tool to enhance your firewood preparation process, look no further. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great product reviews. Happy wood splitting, and we'll see you in the next video.